Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show you step by step how to clear search history on Instagram. First of all, you have to open Instagram and tap on top right 3 lines. When you click on this here, you have to click on Account Center. When you click on Account Center here, you have to click on your information and permissions. After that, you will see an option for search history. Click on it. If you want to check the search history of any of your accounts, then you have to click on your account. When you select any of your accounts, you can see all your search history here. To clear all your search history, go back. Now here you have to click on Clear All Searches at the bottom. In this way you can clear your search history in Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.